Well, hey there. I'm just about ready to go on a long ride, and I was thinking about what am I going to eat as a recovery meal when I get back. And I've decided I'm going to make a barbecue tempeh sandwich with a cherry protein shake. Now, my protein shake, I'm not using any powders. I'm going to be using the real beans that I'll blend up with some frozen organic cherries, frozen banana, some almond milk, and then the real bean. I'll be using Great Northern beans that I'll blend up. And, you know, they're a great source of protein. If you don't use too many, it doesn't get too beany of a taste, but it still tastes great. Great source of protein. And of course, the barbecue tempeh sandwich is fantastic as well. So let me finish this ride. It'll take a couple hours, and then I'll get back, and I'm going to show you how to make this all from scratch. What I like about tempeh is it's high in protein as well as probiotics. You can get it at any large grocery store or even natural grocery stores. Now I'm going to cut my brick in half, and we're going to steam it for about 10 minutes. I have boiling water with a steaming basket. The steaming exfoliates the tempeh. It makes it easier to absorb all of your barbecue sauce. So I've got 3 tablespoons maple syrup, a 1/4 teaspoon of Bragg's liquid amino, and just a drop of liquid smoke. You don't want more than that because it's very powerful, but it creates a great barbecue taste. Then my spices, a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, a couple pinches of sea salt, and you could add a little cayenne in here as well. Give it a stir, and this is ready to go. Now, I have my tempeh. I'm just cutting it into 1/4-inch slices. Again, the steaming just makes it easier to cut and absorb all the flavors of your barbecue sauce. And we're just going to coat it. It doesn't have to marinate for long, just enough to coat it. It's good enough. Because again, the steaming really makes it easier to absorb all the flavors. And I have a cast iron skillet that I've just heated up, and I just have a light coat of olive oil sprayed on, extra virgin olive oil, just enough to prevent it from sticking. And you can see about a minute on each side. Flip it. There's a nice caramelization, crisping, browning taking place. This is ready to go on a sandwich. Have some whole grain toast, some vegan mayo, ready to go. Let's put the tempeh bacon on here. And some organic romaine lettuce. I would have added a tomato, but I didn't have any, so we just got to go with what you got. Avocado makes every sandwich awesome. And this is ready to eat. Yum. Now my cherry protein shake, I've got some banana, Great Northern beans, frozen cherries, almond milk, and vanilla. I'm just going to combine them all into the blender. Again, with the beans, I have about a 1/2 cup, but you might want to start with less till you get used to the flavor. But again, great source of protein. And again, I don't mind the flavor. Let's blend it up, and this is ready to go. Now what I did is I added a bit of cinnamon and turmeric, which made my drink a little darker, but yum, delicious. Awesome sandwich. So thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe, and thanks for tuning in to the plant-based Scratch Kitchen.